What's up, guys? Welcome to Life Reset Abroad. My name's Ken, and just want to give you guys an update of what's been going on. As you see, I haven't posted in quite a while, a few weeks, and there's been a lot of moving parts, And first and foremost, I have gotten a French spousal visa because I don't know if you guys have watched my previous videos, but we have been deciding whether or not Portugal is still right for us. There have been a lot of changes in Portugal over the last 3 years since we've been here, and we are starting to see our savings dwindle quite a bit. And so we're starting to make some tough decisions of what we should do and what we want our future life to be like, because the things here have gotten so expensive, especially from a cost of living per standpoint. We've seen the rent go crazy high. We've also seen, groceries and stuff like that increase by at least 30%. So there are a lot of things that we've been kind of working on and trying to figure out, reevaluating our budget, because things have gotten so expensive that our budget, what we had budgeted for, is no longer accurate. And so, we had to make some tough decisions. So that was the first thing. The second thing is, we're looking to, or at least I'm looking to get back into the corporate world, because especially with the cost of living here, also was another incentive that, hey, maybe I can work, a little bit to kind of offset some of the budget a little bit, because things have gotten so expensive. And what are some of the job markets that give me the best opportunity to make that happen? So that has also been some of the things that we've been contemplating over the last few weeks. And unfortunately, because France is one of the places that we are considering, I had to fly to Madrid to actually apply for and obtain my French spousal visa. Whole nother story, whole nother video, but that's what happened. And because of that, it gave me another perspective of, hey, maybe I should consider Spain, because at the time, 3 weeks ago, we were only considering France and staying here in Portugal. And now Spain has come into the fray. And, it was definitely eye opening. And hindsight is always 2020. So what I know now compared to 3 years prior, would I have made that decision? Maybe that's another for another video. But, that's also into the fray. And in the background, we have some other things kind of going on. I'm working with a local real estate agent. So I mentioned this a while back, but there were some things, of course, it's Portugal. So, there's always some things kind of, even flow, things working in the background, things that are changing. But we have some upcoming videos, particularly on Lagos, my hometown. And I want to show you guys why we love it here so much. So it'd be like a love letter to Lagos. And so, a part of that venture, we will be showing some of the, potential real estate here in the area that I think is, a good value, great location, and to give you an idea of what it's really like to live here, what it's going to cost, the different areas of Lagos, and the different benefits and pros and cons and etc. So, I personally think Lagos is a wonderful place, but no place is perfect, and it's definitely not perfect for everybody. So everyone has different needs and wants and different budgets. So, everyone, it's going to be different for everyone. Everyone's going to have to, kind of choose their own path and what's best for them and their family. And, that's one of the things that I always mention. And it's just something that, you got to consider what's best for you. And so Lagos may not work for you, but I still want to show and showcase this wonderful city. And so, we have that coming up. And then also some videos of the nearby surrounding areas, like Proud to Lose. I guess I haven't really filmed Proud to Lose in over, shoot, 5 years. So it's, well, yeah, 6 years. It's been, yeah, 6 years probably. So I'll go in and film Proud to Lose because I love Proud to Lose. We're actually considering moving there, if things kind of go as planned. But yeah, it's a wonderful area, especially folks that are looking to relocate to Portugal, southern Portugal, the Algarve. It's a wonderful place, and lots of families are moving there now. So that area, instead of having more seasonal people and a seasonal population, it is mostly year round now, which is a drastically different vibe compared to how things used to be. At least when I was there, 4 years ago, and hell, even the last 3 years, it has dramatically increased with the resident population. So yeah, yeah. So those are the things that are kind of going on, and you guys stay tuned. If there are any areas that you want me to check out, leave it in the comment section below because my plan is to explore all of the major cities here in Portugal. I have yet to go all the way further north to like Braga and etc. But I want to get a good idea of all the different areas, and I want people to have those reference videos. So when they're deciding to relocate to Portugal, they can see what the vibe of every city is like, well, every major city, and can determine whether or not it's for them. So that is the goal. I'm trying to give people as much information as possible because this is an expensive decision. There are a lot of things that people have to give up and get some benefits, of course, but it is a major decision and expensive decision. So if you make the wrong decision, it could be extremely expensive and you lose a lot of money because you decide to go back home or you chose the wrong city and it's not vibing with you and you have to move to another city, which we had to do, and it was quite expensive. But you know, I wasn't able to find all that information beforehand, and so now I don't want people to make the same. I wouldn't say mistake, but the same lessons, learn the same lessons that I had to learn the hard way. And so that's one of the main things that I'm trying to accomplish with these series of videos in Portugal is just to give people the information and, help them in their decision making process. So, guys, that's the update. And I'll, like I said, continue to pump out content, especially in the next few weeks. So be on the lookout for that. We have some other upcoming trips, which kind of mix in some stuff. So I'm excited. I'm excited. But that's what's been going on for the hiatus. Lots of moving parts, but I appreciate you guys, checking out the content, and I hope you look forward and enjoy the future videos. All right, guys. Like I said, if there's any place that you want me to check out here in Portugal, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.